Updating your primary email on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Personal Information or similar. Tap on it to view your current email address and other personal details. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the section for your email address. Tap on it to edit, then enter your new primary email address. Make sure to double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes and verify it. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the update. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on Robinhood will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.